Now, I didn't think I would have to make another video on Antwerp stickers, but here we are on July 28th and they still aren't removed from the game. So far, the sale has lasted 56 days, making it the new longest sale, 2 days above Stockholm so far, and 12 days longer than the RMR sale. So what does this all mean, and when is Valve gonna remove this sale from the store? I mean, who has waited this long to buy stickers anyway? Are people really still buying these? Is Valve making money? Today, let's talk about it. So as always, if you guys do enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And just before we get into it, check out this quick pre-roll from the sponsor Skins Monkey on how to get a free $5 trading your skins.
Hi you! Yes, you! Would you like to get $5 for free for your first trade? Just use skinsmonkey.com and get your extra skins. See description below to enjoy the special promotion and receive 5% cashback for trading your CSGO skins.
Okay, so first off, let's take a closer look at comparison of Antwerp sale time to other majors. Is it actually the longest time a sticker capsule has been in-game? And it's surprisingly not, which isn't actually a good thing if you're an investor, but a lot more supply can come in. Here, we can see the times the actual 75% off sales lasted in past majors. Note that they used to be incredibly short, like only a few days, hence why past major stickers had some incredible profitability and nowhere near as much supply, but they've been getting longer and longer as Valve realizes, hey, we could actually milk this for a lot of money. So far, Antwerp has had the longest sale, but when it comes to how long capsules were in-game at the full $1 price, Antwerp was fairly short. Only 29 days in-game before the sale, while Stockholm lasted 39 days at the full price, and RMR lasted 69 days at the full price. Now, it doesn't really make sense for Valve to keep the capsules at this full price for a long amount of time. Obviously, everybody knows there's going to be a 75% off sale every major at this point, which I assume is why we're seeing that time they're at that $1 price point getting shorter and shorter, and the sale time getting longer and longer. I'm sure they make way more money from it. Now, on the bright side, I think they should be gone this week. From RMR to Stockholm, there was only 5 days longer of a sale, and Stockholm to Antwerp was another 5 days longer. Now, it's been more than 5 days than Stockholm, so presumably Valve just wants to keep testing the waters and slowly pushing these capsules in-game for slightly longer each major. So presumably they should be gone this week, but I feel like I've said that like 3 times at this point, so who really knows? At the end of the day, Valve can do whatever they want, and my guess is as good as your guys'. I'm just looking at the past numbers and determining what I think would make sense. Honestly, what would make the most sense is Valve to just keep these in the game forever and just keep milking them, but hopefully, I don't think that's going to happen. You never know with Valve, but they should be gone either this week. If it's next week, that'd be pretty insane, but I mean, I gotta imagine they're going to be gone very soon. Now, with that being said, what does this mean for investors? There's now well over 1 million Antwerp sticker capsules on the market, Legends having almost 550,000 on the market, Challengers and Contenders just over 200,000. Contenders autograph capsules still considerably lower than the rest of the competition, and Champions only have about 17,000 on the market, which is interesting because last time they didn't really turn out to be great investments, so I guess a lot of people didn't invest in them at all, and compared to other capsules, they're really low, so we'll see how their price does when these things get removed. It's going to be interesting, and we'll have to know, but those things don't really seem to have too much hype behind them, so I don't expect too much crazy price action, despite supply being so low on the market, but I will keep an eye on. So yeah, overall, I don't really think there's too much you should do as an investor if you're already in at this point besides wait. But I think we're at the point where if these investments in Antwerp don't really do that well, that it might not even be worth putting money into future majors unless CSGO devs do something to either make supply more limited or in some way make more unique major items. Like if they added a case, for example, with the major and made it limited like in an operation where you get stars or something like that, that could be good for investors. But at the end of the day, I'm sure this is what makes them the most amount of money, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it, especially while you're making millions. It's just unfortunate from an investing standpoint for the players like us. But hopefully, since these things have been in game for so long, we see a bit of hype and prices spike up when they get removed from the game, because it's definitely what everyone has their eye on right now. Everybody is waiting for these things to get removed, and I'm sure when they do, a ton are going to get pulled off the market. Price is going to get shot up because people always, for whatever reason, start buying these things when they actually get removed from the game. Like, you had 60 days to buy at this point at this 25-cent price point. Why are you waiting till after? I don't know, but it does happen consistently. So either way, let's just wait for that. At this point, I've already invested. I knew what I was getting into, and I'm going to hold at least for a couple weeks, see how well these things do, despite supply being much higher than I thought it would be because the sale has lasted so long. But once again, I'm already in. Now you just gotta wait. So yeah, overall, I think that is going to wrap it up for this video. So as always, if you guys did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And of course, check out Skins Monkey as well for that free $5 bonus. But for now, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.